The new XPS 13. If you're watching this, you probably know that Dell doesn't disappoint with this one, as it continues to innovate in its design to bring you the thin and light 13-inch XPS, yet without any compromise to what makes it so special. Hi guys, Nick here. Today I'm going to walk you through our latest addition to the Dell XPS lineup, the new XPS 13. So without further ado, let's get started. It comes in this elegant packaging made of 100% recycled or renewable materials. Sustainability? Check. Now let's take a look inside. So the first thing I'm noticing is the laptop here has this lovely protective sleeve. Welcome to Dell, let's do great things together. A lovely touch. If we open it up, here we have that beautiful sky color on the device amongst other items in the package, such as a 45-watt USB-C power adapter and a USB-C to USB-A adapter, small enough to fit anywhere. Mobility, also check. The new XPS 13 is equipped with the latest 12th generation Intel processors, 1 terabyte of solid-state hard drive and 32 gigs of RAM. All that in an ultra-thin design and lightweight package, making it the thinnest and lightest XPS 13. Okay, so the first thing to catch your eye is this stunning 4K display. It's like having your very own personal theater, and it's even touchscreen too. This is an eye-safe display, so it reduces harmful blue light without compromising on vivid colors or sharpness. So moving down the device, we have an edge-to-edge backlit keyboard, which is perfect for typing due to its larger keys, and below that we have a very easy-to-use large trackpad area. The XPS 13 also comes with a fingerprint reader on the power button. It also has express sign-in to work with Windows Hello. Simply face the webcam to log in, and when you leave, it will automatically lock to protect your privacy. By the way, the camera has been improved to provide a higher quality image, especially in low light conditions. The larger speaker design enables deeper bass, louder sound, and better overall audio experience. Actually, let's test it out. Wow. The sound is incredible, and you can crank it up with no distortion. Incredible sound for music, movies, and conferencing. Its sky-tinted color is inspired by nature, so it's really a laptop that you'll want to show off. Because mobility is one of the primary goals here, this laptop has a long battery life, so you can enjoy your favorite streaming content virtually anywhere. When it comes to power, build quality, and light portability, there's no better choice than the new XPS 13.